Grapes are gently spread onto sorting tables. Dredging just enough to release the juice, known as turning good wine into great wine. Premium wine doesn't begin in the factory, Cully. It begins here, in the vineyard, before sunrise.
Each grape is harvested only at perfect phenolic ripeness, where sugar, acidity, and tannins are in perfect balance.
Unlike mass production, premium wineries rely on hand harvesting to protect every delicate grape. Harvesting at night keeps grapes cold, slowing oxidation and protecting natural flavors. Old grapes resist bacterial spoilage, ensuring higher quality from vine to winery. Instead of massive bins, small crates prevent crushing and preserve grape integrity. By the time grapes reach the winery, their quality remains untouched, ready to become exceptional wine. When grapes arrive at the winery, precision and purity become the top priority. Grapes are gently spread onto sorting tables, and Ormeo, never dumped aggressively.
Every leaf, insect, and unripe berry is removed by hand to ensure absolute quality.
Advanced optical sorters analyze each grape, rejecting anything that doesn't meet elite standards. The destemmer gently removes stems without damaging the fruit. Grapes are lightly crushed, dredging just enough to release the juice, known as the must.
Some premium wines skip destemming entirely, using whole clusters to add spice, structure, and complexity.
This is where juice begins its transformation into wine.
Yeast is introduced, triggering the natural conversion of sugar into alcohol.
Sugar breaks down, alcohol forms, and carbon dioxide is released. Temperature is carefully controlled to protect aroma and flavor. As fermentation intensifies, the wine comes alive.
Aromas begin to develop: fruit, spice, and complexity.
This is the heart of transformation. Canton, raw juice, becoming wine. Maturation is the most expensive stage, where wine rests and capital waits. Premium wines age in oak barrels, while mass-market wines rely on steel and oak flavoring. The wood breathes, allowing slow oxygen exchange that softens harsh tannins. Oak adds complexity to wine. Notes of vanilla, clove, toast, and spice. Malolactic fermentation converts sharp malic acid into soft, creamy lactic acid. Through racking, wine is clarified naturally by leaving sediment behind. Time does the final work, turning good wine into great wine. This is where the master blender shapes the wine's final identity.
A Cabernet may be 90% Cabernet Sauvignon, balanced with Merlot and Petit Verdot.
Only the best barrels earn a place in the final blend. Cold stabilization removes tartrate crystals before bottling. Natural fining agents gently clarify the wine. Premium wines are filtered lightly pruned, or sometimes not at all. The result is balance, texture, and complexity, ready for the bottle. Bottling happens in an inert environment, where oxygen is kept completely away.
Each bottle is purged with nitrogen to protect the wine's freshness.
The wine enters the bottle without touching oxygen.
Closures are chosen carefully, natural cork or premium screw caps. Each bottle is sealed to lock in aroma and structure. Each bottle is sealed to lock in aroma and structure.
Premium wines rest for months to recover from bottle shock.
Only when the wine is settled is it released to the world.